This tutorial introduces the new sound-related features in SimLab Composer 15, including nodes such as record sound, set sound file, and set sound volume. These provide greater flexibility and control when working with audio, allowing you to create richer and more dynamic experiences with ease. So let's get started. We'll create a functional cassette recorder that can record your voice and play it back within the same VR experience. I've already set up the scene with record, stop, and play buttons, each linked to their corresponding training builder nodes. Open the training builder and right-click to open the context menu. Type record and navigate to responses, media, sound, then record sound. Selecting this will create a record sound node. Next, connect the execute output of the node triggered assigned to the record scene button with the execute input of the record sound node you just created. Again, right-click to open the context menu. Type record and navigate to responses, media, sound, then stop sound recording. Selecting this will create a stop sound recording node. Next, connect the execute output of the node triggered assigned to the stop scene button with the execute input of the stop sound recording node you just created. In this node, expand the file name field and type a name for the saved recording. In this example, I chose record as the file name. Now, let's create a sound object in the scene. Go to VR Effect, navigate to Media, and choose Create Sound. Rename it to Recorded. Next, return to the Training Builder and right-click to open the context menu. Type sound and navigate to Responses Media Sound Set File. This will create a set sound file node. Select the sound object you just created in the scene and attach it to the sound node in the training builder. Then, connect the execute output of the stop sound recording node to the execute input of the set sound file node, and link the file name field in the same way. Now we need to create the nodes that will play the recorded voice. From Responses, click the media icon, then select Sound Play. This will create a sound play node. Connect the play button's trigger node to the execute input of the sound play node you just created, and attach the recorded object from the scene to it. Finally, let's test our voice recording experience in the VR viewer.
Test 1. Test 1.
As you may have noticed, the recorded voice sounds a bit low. I intentionally kept the volume down to introduce another new sound-related node, the Set Sound Volume node. Let's use it to increase the volume of our voice recording. Return to the Training Builder and right-click to open the context menu. Type sound and navigate to Responses Media Sound Set Volume. This will create a set sound volume node. Connect the execute output of the sound play node to the execute input of the new node, and also link the sound node output in the same way. Set the volume value to 2, valid inputs range from 0 to 4. Finally, test the experience again in the VR viewer.
Test 2. Test 2.